One of the joys of machine tool woodworking is the ear-splitting amount of noise it makes. And you know what I'm talking about. The deafening sound of your table saw. The jet engine whine of your router spinning at 20,000 RPM. Or this, the machine gun rat-tat-tat of a brad nailer. Well, those hand tool woodworkers and maybe your neighbors might consider your busy shop to be the source of unmitigated noise pollution, but you and I know better. Deafening noise is what machine tool woodworking is all about. It's a sign we're being creative. You're getting the honey-do list done. You're earning the bragging rights on your latest masterpiece. Well, we can't live in our shops after all. Life does have other priorities too. But you can take those sweet sounds of the shop with you wherever you go with this new Sounds of the Shop app. With this free downloadable app, you'll have all your favorite shop noises ready to cue up and listen to whenever you want to. And here are some of those tracks. There's Screaming Table Saw, Mind-Numbing Router, Nail Gun Battlefield, Migraine Miter Saw, Deafening Dust Collector, Jaw-Clenching Jointer, all of these plus so many more great tracks thanks to Sounds of the Shop. Now I can listen to this cacophony of deafening shop noises wherever I want to, doing the things I love to do, and so can you. Listen to Sounds of the Shop while you're driving. Reading your favorite publications. Taking a relaxing nap. Enjoying the great outdoors. Even working in the shop. Or as your morning wake-up alarm. I just love my Sounds of the Shop. And except for this constant ringing in my ears, I feel like I'm woodworking 24 hours a day. There's a woodworking factory inside my brain, and it can be yours too. And the app is free for iOS and Android devices. And you can find it at rockleer.com. That's ROCKLEER.com. So download your copy. And then bring on the heavy metal sounds. Enjoy.